Hold on. This is really quick. Me and 2 other social media hustlers, whatever we want to call ourselves. This is new thing on Instagram, and you basically post a video. You post a video on Instagram, and if the video is longer than that 1 minute time frame, instead of posting all those other videos behind it, you can actually click, or there will be a link to click for them to continue watching the full video on your IGTV. So instead of them scrolling to watch the rest of the video, they can just go on there, go and click on the IGTV link, and they can watch the full video smooth, you know, without it stopping. Okay, so that's really cool, and it's really convenient, because not only is it building your IGTV, people might find it easier than, you know, doing that little thing. And it might actually be easier for you to post, rather than cutting up your video and posting it that way. So, and posting it with the 1 minute increments, whatever you want to call it. So this is really quick. I'm going to explain to you how you do that. So how you do that is, let me go to, I found this article on, I think it's called later.com. And it explained to me, after it had a whole essay of a whole bunch of other crap, it explains to me how to do it. So I figured I'll put the information out there for people like me that didn't know at first how to do this, and me and my other 2 co-workers that didn't know how to do this. I figured I'll put this information out really fast, really quick, really easy, so that you don't have to go and look at and read this whole entire article. You can just watch this video and boom, you got it. So here we go. So how you do it is, you would go into your IGTV. Everybody has an IGTV. I believe you might have to create a username or a name for it, whatever the case may be. I don't remember what I did, but pretty much everybody has an IGTV. It comes with your IG account. So what you would do is go and post a video on your IGTV. Right, you would go and post a video on your IGTV. After you're posting the video on your IGTV, there's gonna be a poster review underneath you posting that thing. Not really sure if it's gonna focus, but you'll be posting on the IGTV, and underneath it'll say poster review. You see that poster review? And then you're gonna slide that, and it's gonna turn green, or whatever kind of phone you have. It's gonna turn green or blue, whatever. You select that button, and that's where it's gonna show. It's gonna post on your actual feed. It's gonna post on your Instagram feed, and not just your IGTV. This is so much better than what they used to have. Basically, you used to have to manage 2 different accounts, because it was like, oh, if I want to post a video, I gotta post it on my IGTV, but I want people to check it out, so I had to post a link and blah 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 blah. You don't have to do that anymore. Right there. Come on, focus for me. Post a review right there. Slide that button over and you're all set. So I hope you guys found this video really informative. This is really easy. I'm actually gonna try to work this thing out like this weekend. I'm gonna try to get a video that's actually, you know what, I'll try right now. Let me see. I know I got a video in here that may be longer than a minute long. Okay, so it shows you the videos that are usually longer than a minute. So if you want to post on your IGTV, what you want to do is, sorry guys that I don't have it on the you know, when people pull it up on the side for you to see them working on it on their phone. Don't really know how to do that. One day I'll learn. But anyways, so you'll click on this little button here. That's going to show your face and how your actual Instagram looks. So you're going to click on that, right? You see here, I have a video posted so long ago. It was only 22 seconds long. Okay, so then you're going to press the plus button. press the plus button. You press the plus button, okay, and it's gonna show up a whole bunch of videos that you might want to post. I'll pick this video. It's 4 minutes long. This is when my dad proposed to his girlfriend. All right, so this video is 4 minutes long. I'm gonna press next up here in the upper right hand corner. Do you see where it says post a review? It's already blue. Yours might be green, whatever, but it's already blue. Right here, you post a review. This is gonna show up exactly on your on your Instagram feed. Okay, so then when people want to finish watching it, then they just go and they look at me, I'm all off to the side. But when people want to finish watching it, they just go and they click the link underneath that says continue watching on IGTV, and that's that. You can also make it visible on Facebook, of course, if you want to. But I just had to show you guys that because I was like, ooh, this is like a little new thing. I see everybody's doing it. It looks really cool. So, of course, guys, if you found this video informative, please like, comment, share this video. Let everybody know that this is a new thing that Instagram's got going on. And if you are a social media list or whatever we want to call ourselves, this is great information for you. So, thumbs up. Good luck, guys. Have fun. Enjoy. Bye-bye.